The former head of the Canadian Armed Forces has been given a new mission. Retired General Rick Hillier will oversee COVID-19 vaccine distribution in Ontario. Our Ottawa Bureau Chief Mercedes Stephenson spoke with Hillier today and asked about his new role and his return to public life. Mercedes?
Donna, General Rick Hillier is taking on one of the most important and difficult missions in the country. A well-known force of personality, Hillier said he simply couldn't turn down Ontario Premier Doug Ford, who only called Hillier to ask him to come on board last week.
Duty calls, and you can't stand there and say, oh, I wish they did that, I wish somebody would do this, and be critical, if you will, and want things done. And then when the Premier of your province asks you, then you would say, no, I couldn't do that. Duty calls. I've stepped up and I'm going to do my very best.
Hillier says he doesn't know how many vaccines the province will be getting, how they will be distributed, or even who will get them first, or when any of that will happen.
I don't have that date to give you.
But the vaccine is not expected to roll out in Canada until January at the earliest. Hillier says that gives him enough time to come up with a plan. While the Ford government has fallen short on other promises like testing targets and contact tracing, Hillier believes this is a no-fail mission.
I'm confident it's going to come from the government of Ontario, and it'll come out of the private sector also, I know. I'm confident we're going to have the right resources to do it.
Millions of Ontarians are depending on General Hillier's appointment being one that can get things done and not political posturing by the province. It is the federal government that is ultimately responsible for getting the vaccines and providing that key information to the provinces, an increasing sore point with the premiers. Donna?
Okay, Mercedes in Ottawa, thank you.